This is Sachuk's Online Mathematics. I bring to you NECO past question written yesterday, being Wednesday, the 16th of July 2025. And here is the question. Evaluate integral 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2 dx, where 3 and 1 are the limits of integration. Alright, so what we have here is a definite integral. What is a definite integral? A definite integral is an integral which has limits. So the numbers 3 and 1 are the limits of the integration. 3 is the upper limit, while 1 is the lower limit. Alright, so when given a definite integral, which is such as integral f of x dx, having b and a as the limits of integration, where b is the upper limit and a is the lower limit, what you have to do is to integrate f of x. Integrate f of x with respect to x, and then you substitute the upper and lower limits, and then subtract the outcome of the lower limit from the outcome of the upper limit. Alright, so let's do that right away. So this question is question number 5A, the NECO that was written yesterday, being the 16th of July 2025. Solution. So I have integral 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2 dx, having 3 and 1 as the limits of this integration. So what I have to do now is to integrate this function. I'm going to integrate this function, alright, to get my integral. Okay, now I'm going to apply the general rule of integration, which is I'm going to apply one of the rules of integration, which is integral x raised to power n dx is equal to x raised to power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So that means to integrate this function, I have to increase the power of x by 1 and then divide it by the new power plus c. C is the constant of integration. Alright, so let me apply this general rule of integration. I'll apply this rule of integration in integrating each of the terms in this function or integrand. So I have 4x raised to power 3 plus 1, just like I told you, integral of x raised to power n dx equal to x raised to power n plus 1 over n plus 1, then plus c. So I have to increase the power of x by 1. So having 4x raised to power 3, I have to increase it by 1 over, which is n plus 1, that is 3 plus 1, where my n is what? 3, being the power of what? X. So minus 3x raised to power 2, then 2 plus n plus 1, which is 2 plus 1 over n plus 1, which is 2 plus 1, then plus the third term of this function, which is 2. 2 here can also be written as 2x raised to power 0, because you know that x raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Any base raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So that means there is invisible x raised to power 0 here. So the power of the x is what? 0. Then increase it by 1. Then divide it by the new power, 0 plus 1. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Then upper limit 1, lower limit upper limit 3, lower limit 1. So I have 4x raised to power 4 over 4. 3 plus 1 is 4, minus 3x raised to power 3 over 3, minus plus 2x raised to power 1 over 1. Upper limit 1, lower limit, upper limit 3, lower limit 1. So I have 4 cancel what? 4. I have x raised to power 4 minus 3 cancel 3, x raised to power 3 plus 2x, upper limit 3, lower limit 1. Then I've just integrated this function. So this is the integral. So I'm going to substitute the upper limit and the lower limit in this integral. So I have x raised to power 4. Let me start with the upper limit, which is 3 raised to power 4. That means this x represents the limits of the integration. So I'll start with the upper limit. So I'll now replace this x by 3. 3 raised to power 4 minus 3 raised to power x raised to power 3 means 3 raised to power 3 plus 2 bracket 3 minus, now I told you earlier that after the integration I'm going to substitute the limits in the integral and then subtract the outcome of the lower limit from the outcome of the upper limit. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So the lower limit is 1, so I have 1 raised to power 4 minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 2 bracket 1, which is equal to, alright, 2 raised to power 4 will give us 81 minus 3 raised to power 3 is 27 plus 2 times 3 is 6, then minus 1 raised to power 4 is 1 minus 1 raised to power 3 is 1 plus 2 times 1 is 2. Let's go over there. Okay, before then, 81 minus 27 plus 6 will give us what? And then that will give us 60 minus, because 81 minus 27, 1 minus 7 cannot, borrow 1 from 8, here is 11, 11 minus 7 is 4, here remains 7, 7 minus 2 is 5, so 54 plus 6 will give us 60, then minus 1 minus 1 is 0, then 0 plus 2 is 2, so our final answer will be 58, because 60 minus 2 give us what? 58. That is the answer of this question. Alright, so for those of you that wrote NECO yesterday and you didn't get 58 as your answer for question number 5A, it means that you failed it. Alright, so take note of that. So if you are watching this video, please do well to like, share and comment. See you in my next video.